Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Ads audience targeting for retargeting winners, full guide step by step clearly. Open Google Ads and log into your account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Select the campaign where you want to update your audience targeting. Click on the Ad Groups tab to view all your ad groups within the selected campaign. Choose the ad group that will benefit from retargeting. Next, click on the Audiences section. Here, you'll see the existing audience targeting options. To add a new audience, click on the blue plus icon. Select Browse under the audience targeting options. Choose Website Visitors to create a retargeting list. Define the parameters for your audience based on website interactions. You can specify time frames for how long visitors will remain in the audience. Next, label your audience for easy identification. Click Create Audience to save your settings. If you already have a retargeting list, select it from the list of existing audiences. Adjust any settings or parameters as necessary. Review the audience to ensure it aligns with your campaign goals. Once satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. Next, go back to the campaign overview to check your updates. Monitor the performance of your selected audience after launching the campaign. Make adjustments based on performance data to optimize your targeting. Continue refining your audience based on results for ongoing improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.